Hi guys, I will now show you how to make a delicious capsicum sabji with the added flavors of roasted besan or gram flour. This is the list of ingredients required. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons of besan or gram flour. Dry roast on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Take care not to burn as the burnt besan will be bitter. The besan should become aromatic and lightly change color like this. Keep it aside. Heat 2 teaspoons oil. Add 2 onions and 1 teaspoon salt. Cook till the onion becomes soft. Add half a teaspoon garlic paste and half teaspoon ginger paste and cook till the raw smell goes. Now add 2 potatoes. Cook for around 4 to 5 minutes till the potatoes are cooked well. At this stage, the onions will be lightly browned and the potatoes will have become soft. Now add 2 capsicums and fry on high flame for 2 minutes. The capsicums should still be crunchy. Then add 4 to 5 green chilies, half a teaspoon red chili powder, half a teaspoon coriander powder and a quarter teaspoon garam masala powder. Cook the spices on low flame for 2 minutes, taking care not to burn them. Now add the roasted besan and mix well. Add half a cup water. Mix well. And simmer for 2 minutes. Check the taste. Here I had to add half a teaspoon more of salt. Cover and cook on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. And we are done. This delicious capsicum sabji goes well with hot rotis. Enjoy! If you like this video, please like and share it. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Also, for more such interesting recipes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the profile picture below. Thank you.